street light hums like a tired old choir tonight. My heart walks barefoot on broken tiles at dawn. I hold my breath like a wilting balloon in a quiet fight. The sky forgets its lines, then slowly carries on. Stay here, stay here, let the world fall out of frame. Soft hands, brushing dust off all my blame. We are so small, but it feels gigantic still. At the edge of everything you made, the noise stands still. Your voice drips slow like honey down a medicine glass. You laugh once low, then the fear just loses its name. All the cracked teacups of the years finally hold at last. Nothing to prove tonight. No race, no game. Tell me why the sirens sound like distant lullabies. Tell me how your silence fits my chaos just right. I was a house with every window open to goodbye. Now every shattered frame turns softer in your light. Stay here, let the world fall out of frame. Soft hands, brushing dust off all my blame. We are so small, but it feels gigantic still. At the edge of everything